Welcome to Helicon Soft Video Tutorials. Helicon Focus has now got a new feature for professionals, Raw-in-DNG-out mode, allowing to do the actual raw development after the focus stacking is already performed. Now I'll show you one of the common use cases, combining focus stacking in Helicon Focus and further raw development in Photoshop Lightroom. So now you can just export DNG files into Helicon Focus. Render the stack, and after being saved to DNG format, the resulting image will be imported back to Lightroom for further development. This can facilitate your workflow a lot if you're working with raw files. Now let's go step by step and see how it works. Here I have a stack that I want to export to Helicon Focus as is, and have a resulting image in DNG format imported back to Lightroom for post-processing. So I choose the images I want to be exported. Check the export settings to make sure that the import format is set to DNG. And press the export button. Helicon Focus will be launched automatically, and once the images are exported, you will see all of them in the Source Images window. Now let's open the Preferences window and choose the Integration tab. In order to enable the Raw-in-DNG-out mode, you need Adobe DNG Converter, so follow the link in order to install or upgrade it. The link takes you to a page on our website that contains direct download links and installation instructions. Choose the version you need and proceed with downloading of the installer as usual. Run the file and follow the instructions of the setup wizard to install the converter. Now let's get back to the Integration tab of the Preferences menu and click on the Browse button right next to the converter path line to choose the file. Now that we have it all set up to enable the Raw-in-DNG-out mode, open the Raw Development Settings window and choose Raw-in-DNG-out Loader in the Codec drop-down menu. Now we can proceed as usual with rendering of the stack. Choose the method. Press the Render button. Wait until the images are stacked. Now go to the Save tab to save the resulting image in DNG format. Even after retouching in Helicon Focus, the output can still be saved as a digital negative. It will be imported back to Lightroom automatically, and the process bar in the left upper corner will disappear, showing that the task was completed. So now you have a raw output, no color balance, highlights clipping, or other destructive operations were done during focus stacking. Enjoy advanced functionality with Helicon Focus for better results.